In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a complete end-to-end system in Airtable. We'll start by defining what your system should accomplish. Get clear on the problem you're solving, who will use it, and the outcome you're aiming for. A solid goal gives you a North Star and prevents unnecessary complexity later. Next, turn that idea into concrete processes. List the tasks required to reach your goal. Identify the people involved, note decisions or approvals needed, and specify the data points you must track. Think of this as your blueprint. When you map the moving parts, you'll build a system that mirrors real work instead of forcing people to work around it. Now, set up your tables. Create one for tasks to capture assignments and deadlines, another for projects to group related work, a table for clients or stakeholders to hold context, and one for metrics or KPIs to measure results. Link records where they relate in real life. For example, tasks linked to projects and stakeholders, so your data stays connected and meaningful. With tables in place, define fields thoughtfully. Use single select fields for statuses or categories, collaborator fields for ownership, date fields for due dates, attachments for files, and formulas for calculations or conditional logic. Clear, consistent fields make your system dependable and scalable as your team grows. To guide day-to-day work, create views. Set up views for pending, in progress, and completed, highlight high priority or overdue items, and provide stakeholder-specific views so each person sees exactly what matters to them without digging through clutter. It's time to add automations. Assign tasks when a project is created, notify teammates as deadlines approach, and update statuses automatically based on actions. If you're new to Airtable, there's a link at the top of the description to open it in your browser or download the app, so you can follow along step by step. Layer in conditional logic to make your base smarter. Use formulas to flag overdue or high priority work, calculate project completion, and trigger notifications when specific conditions are met. This reduces manual effort and prevents errors. Build dashboards to summarize what's happening. Monitor task completion and project progress. Track key metrics and spot bottlenecks quickly so leaders can make informed decisions. Before rollout, test thoroughly. Add sample tasks, projects, and stakeholders. Verify automations and formulas, and confirm that dashboards surface accurate insights. Share the system with your team and train them on workflows, responsibilities, and how to update records properly. Finally, revisit your setup regularly, refining tables, automations, and dashboards as your processes evolve. That's how you can build a complete end-to-end system in Airtable, from idea to a structured, automated, and scalable workflow. Thanks for watching.